When you have lots of possible participants but not so many email addresses, posting a link is a great way to share your survey with the public. Plus, you can customize your URL to make it easy to find. But what if you don't want that URL to be quite so public? Limit participation by creating a custom sign-in page. Then customize passwords for those you'd like to invite in. Here's how it works. Under Distribute on the Publishing menu, start here. You'll identify whether password should be single or multi-use, as well as how you'll enter your list. Use a contact list or upload a new spreadsheet with unique identifiers, like student or employee IDs, as well as any data for pre-population. If you don't have existing IDs, you can choose to generate random passwords. Just select your preferences and then continue. Next, customize your login page. Choose your link, then design the page itself. You can pick a logo, customize all the text, and set a background color or image. Once everything's set, preview your page. If it looks good, you're done. From here, copy the login page link, get the QR code, and download passwords. Need to create a new login page or generate more new passwords? No problem. You'll be able to track the URLs you've created, download or generate passwords, or create a new URL. Make access easy and branding simple with customized links, pages, and passwords.